Did I just hear snow is forecasted for the DC area? What am I gonna do with my cars? God, what's all that white stuff? All that white stuff on the road. Oh gosh, that's gonna kill my car. It's snowing out here, guys. I hope my car is okay. Oh no. Oh my God, the car. Oh my God. The car is covered in snow. What am I gonna do? It's ruined. It's completely trashed, guys. It's an SS. It can't handle the snow. It's dead to me. What am I gonna do? God, I hope it starts. Let's make sure it starts. Please, 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 please start. Please start, SS. Don't fail me now. Here we go. Cold start. Crossing my fingers. Whoa. What? So you guys are not gonna believe this. The SS actually started in this cold weather. Yeah, look. Can you believe it? I can't. I thought these cars don't work in the cold weather. I'm so confused. I thought snow disables everything, especially the tires. What's going on here? Oh man, you know what I'm really worried about right now? Oh man, it just makes me sick thinking about it. It's the road treatments, the salt, the chemicals that's just eating away at the bottom of my car's undercarriage. What am I gonna do? I know, I'm gonna wash it. Yeah, that actually might help. And I even bought one of those cheap contraptions to attach to a garden hose to spray under the car. Oh man, maybe that will work. I don't know, I hope it sure works. The car is handling quite well as usual. So I think I might make it home just fine, as long as nobody does something stupid next to me. So there you go. This is my neck of the woods, getting close to the house, and it's like it's not even treated here that well. Actually, there's definitely some treatment, but it is slick as hell. Alright, I hope you guys got the sense of humor out of this video. You got the point I was trying to make. I know a lot of my SS friends out there love their cars as much as I do. And some of us are really protective of it. And we'll never let it touch snow. So I just thought I'd have a little fun with this and do a little snow video for the car. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next winter storm. Take care, guys, and drive safe.